Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. In this video, I'll show you how to create a new folder in just 10 seconds. It's easy, fast. Before we start, if you're new here, please subscribe to Grow ICT Academy, like this video and share it with others. Now, let's get started.
So what we need to do now is just to follow the following steps. The first step is to come and open this File Explorer. Once we open it, you see you need now to move from this home and select any other folder here which is already created. For example, desktop. We can now create a new folder in this desktop. So what to do now is to come and click on this new icon. Once we mouse over on this icon, you see create a new item in the current location. So what to do is to click on it, and you see there is option of folder. So we click on folder, and then we need to rename our folder. We can just call it new folder 1, right? And then we need now to click enter or just leave it as it is. You see now is already created. Our folder is this one which called a new folder 1. So this is the simple way of how you can create a new folder in File Explorer. If you are new here, don't miss subscribe, like this video and share it to your colleagues, and also please remember to open the bell so that whenever we upload a video you will get notification. So thank you, see you in the next video.